How to reset your Facebook feed. This tutorial shows you how to use the content preference controls to get your feed showing what you actually want to see. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile picture at the bottom right to open your profile page. After that, tap the three dots at the top right, then tap Settings and Privacy, and tap Settings. At this point, scroll down and tap Content Preferences. Following this, under What You See, tap Political Content if you want to limit how much of it shows up in your feed. From here, tap Sensitive Content to adjust how much of that type of content Facebook shows you as well. At this stage, scroll down to Who You See, where you'll find Favorites, Snooze, Unfollow, and Reconnect. Following this, tap Favorites to mark specific people or pages you want to see more often in your feed. From here, tap Snooze to temporarily hide someone's posts for 30 days without unfollowing them. At this stage, tap Unfollow to permanently stop seeing posts from accounts you're no longer interested in while staying friends or connected. Finally, tap Reconnect if you want to bring back content from people or pages you'd previously snoozed or unfollowed. Facebook doesn't have a single button that wipes your feed and starts it over. Instead, it relies on these individual controls, so using a mix of snooze, unfollow, and favorites together is the closest thing to a full reset. That's how you reset your Facebook feed. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!